Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is June bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to feeding. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for Aries, fire sign? Think Aries under the deck, Death and King of Pentacles with the Lovers. I think it is one type of ending between you and your person. For some, there are some issues going between you and your person. You are concentrating on your career. You are more focused on your abundance. Yes, there is love, but it is about more physical than emotional. Maybe your person is in and out of your life. They are not available to you when you need them emotionally, especially. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Scorpio or Cancer or Gemini. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Two of Swords, Ace of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles. They were not treating you well in past. I think they ghosted you or they rejected you or they ignored you. Cold shouldering. So you are at some crossroads. You confused due to their behavior. And Ace of Pentacles is here. So there were some new opportunities, especially in career. In past, maybe you decided to focusing on your career. Then present the Fool, Nine of Pentacles and the Chariot. So you want to take your control back. You want to focusing on your self growth because Nine of Pentacles, you want to independent and you don't want to dependent on anyone either emotionally or financially. So you are going with the flow, living in the present moment. And yes, you started moving on from this person because there is no clarity in this relationship. They are not treating you well. So that's why you are taking your control back and you are doing your work, especially you are concentrating on your abundance, Aries. Future, Ace of Swords, Knight of Wands and Judgment. Future, Ace of Swords, Knight of Wands and Judgment. So there is some communication, clarity is coming. I think they are wanna coming back again into your life. Maybe they're trying to communicate with you. But again, guys, be careful because they are coming back again with Knights of Wands of energy. So they are in and out of your life. And you are in the process of making decision. Maybe you want to make some decision regarding this relationship. So the person involved in this connection could be a lot of Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Seven of Cups with Seven of Swords and Seven of Wands. I think this person is not trustworthy, guys, because Seven of Swords. For some they have options, but they keep coming back because they won't give up on you. So let's see their feelings and intentions. Aries. I think they're juggling, guys. So they're missing you if you are in separation with this person. I think they are not giving clarity about marriage, about commitment. They're still thinking, they're still unable to make any decision. They are indecisive, but they're missing you because the Hierophant regarding commitment issues between you and your person, they're still juggling. Maybe they're juggling between you and their family. Maybe they're juggling between you and their career. They are not getting clarity what they want. So let's see their intentions. Yeah, this person may be toxic for you. They are obsessed with you, passionate towards you, and justice with Knight of Wands with Emperor. I think for some they have ego problem also, but they wanna make action towards you and they're coming back for second chances if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. For some, your person is very aggressive in nature, very dominant. So they're obsessed with you and they're thinking about you a lot. For some, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Five of Pentacles. Right now, they're missing you. They're suffering in silence. They're thinking about you a lot and they're obsessed with you. Yes. Right now, they're thinking and obsessed. I am not seeing any proper action, but very soon, maybe they will make action because King of Wands with Justice. They want second chances with you. But again, guys, this person may be toxic for you. Be careful. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. King of Cups, Nine of Cups. Yeah, they're wishing for this connection and they want to offer their cup of love to you. And if they have option, they're going to be choose you and they want new beginnings with you. But you are confused and you are going through some tower moment because they are always giving you false hope but not fulfilling any promises. So you are in some confusion and you are going through some tower moment and you want to restore the balance within yourself, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Yes, you are also thinking about them. That's why you are going through this tower moment. So let's see mutual. Lots of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, there are some trust issues, but lots of passion. And you are guarded up. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. So there is lots of passion at the same time. There are a lot of illusions between you and your person. Trust issues. Yeah, they will come back for second chances, but it's up to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Decision time. Player. Yes, for some, your person could be a player. Options. Yes. Holding back. Third party involved. Religious factors. Religious factors may be affecting your love life. Decision time, player, options, holding back, and third party involved. These are the messages. So take what resonates. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo, Leo energy. So don't show your attitude or pride to anyone because it will affect you. And that's not a good nature also. Adjustments are required third quarter moon. Even though for some they are coming back because this person is sneaky and toxic for you. For those, adjustments are required. Yes. Even though they are coming back, adjustments are required. Third quarter moon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. So thank you so much guys for your support. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.